Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo na talagang lumipat sa sarili mong bahay, pero lagi ka na lang nauudlot dahil mahal, mahirap o complicated ang proseso? Well, ito na ang chance mo, kasi this bank foreclosed unit might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Let me introduce you to this Diana Innerlot, a security bank foreclosed property located in the heart of Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Now, ang kagandahan nito, walang bidding kung wala kang kasabay. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw ang unang mag-decide, sa'yo na agad to. No stress, no auction drama. Property details, location, Lancaster, New City, a well-developed township na may schools, commercial centers, and even transport hubs. Lot area 50 square meter. Floor area 72 square meter. 3 bedrooms, enough space for a couple or a small family. 2 toilet and bath, perfect for morning routines. 1 car garage, safe parking space within your own home. At hindi lang basta bahay ito, it's in a mastered plan community with amenities like a clubhouse, parks, schools, and 24/7 security. Lahat ng hanap mo sa isang deal neighborhood. Selling price, 1,670,000. 20% down payment, 80% via bank home loan. So instead of paying rent, buwan-buwan, why not invest that into your own home, right? As is where is siya, meaning what you see is what you get. And the best part, ready for viewing na. Note, bank fees and transfer of title costs are not included sa price, so take that into account when computing total costs. Payment modes, cash, PDC, MC, bank financing. Flexible ang payment options, kaya whether salaried ka, OFW, or small business owner, may paraan para makuha mo to. Alam mo na yan, first come first serve, kaya kung interesado ka, huwag ka na maghintay. Free house tour assistance available. Yes, libre ang site viewing. We'll help you every step of the way. Don't wait until sold out. Foreclosed units like this move fast. So act now and start your journey toward owning your dream home.